Indo-MIM is the world's largest MIM company. We have almost every desktop metal, Bainderjet metal printer running day in and day out, producing 100 to 150,000 parts so far. It's out of multiple materials like stainless steels, low alloy steels, and as well as tool steels. The parts produced through the P1 production system, the X25 Pro, the Innovent Plus, and now the shop system has been great, and the customers are quite happy in terms of precision, quality, and as well as surface finish produced through Bainderjet metal printing. We feel that the P1 production system is the fastest printer in the world, and we would love to have multiple P1s down the line. The properties which we are able to achieve through Tool Steel M2 on the X25 Pro is quite superior to raw tool steel. We are able to run the X25 Pro day in and day out because the service support has been great. That is the reason we are able to implement this technology across different plants at Indo-MIM and able to meet customer requirements.